This is the exact AI tool top creators don't want you to know about, and it blows Leonardo AI out of the water. This free tool transforms total beginners into pro-level image creators in minutes. No experience? No problem. It's so easy, you'll be making viral YouTube visuals before you even finish your coffee. Stick around, because at the end, I'm dropping a killer visual hack that top YouTubers are using right now to go viral, and I'll walk you through it step by step. Hit the link in the description, click Start Generating for free, and let's create your first viral image together. Let's dive in with something dope for beginners and pros alike. Let's try creating a ballerina dancing on the deck of a ship in the open sea. Start by typing that prompt into the box at the bottom. Then, head to the filters in the lower left corner. They're so intuitive, you'll feel like a pro right away. For this, I'll choose Watercraft Historic, Woman Realistic, Action. When you're ready, click Generate. Also, click DreamUp on the side. This feature is honestly amazing. It takes your basic prompt and transforms it into something professional and incredibly detailed. Check out the difference. Here's an image made without DreamUp, and here's one with it. The improvement is truly noticeable. I tested this in Leonardo AI too, and trust me, this tool shines. So, even with a simple prompt, you can end up with absolutely stunning visuals. Now, I'll show you how to easily remix images with filters. Go to the best gallery and pick a photo you'd like to remix. For example, I'll choose this image. On the right side, select 4 variations to give yourself some options to play with. To get the best possible quality, switch the model to Flux and choose Dev from the drop-down below it. Trust me, I recommend sticking with these settings every time. It might take a few extra seconds, but the crispness and detail in your images will be worth it. Now, let's dive into the filters. But first, remove a few filters from the selected ones. Then, go to the filter menu and pick the ones that match the vibe you're going for. I'll choose Woman Realistic, Action, and Minerals. The beauty here is you don't need a long, complicated prompt. Just lean on the DreamUp, and in a moment, you'll get new versions of this image. For comparison, let's create another version of this image with different filters. Remove unnecessary filters and add Action Old Woman and Cracks. Also, this time reduce the intensity of the Action filter to 0.10 and the Old Woman filter to 0.70 to ensure a result that matches our vision. Hit DreamUp again. Now go to My Images. Check how well the adherence worked in both variations. In the first image, we transformed the image into a woman, and in the second, we made her older just by changing the filters. Really easy. But we'll go even further and improve the quality of our photos. Pick the photo you like the most. I'll go with this one. Click on it, and in the bottom right corner, you'll spot the X2 button for image quality enhancement. Hit that, and in just a few seconds, the image sharpens up noticeably. Compare it to the original, look at the edges, the textures, even the tiny details. The difference is striking, especially if you zoom in. This upscale trick is a game changer. One of the things I really like is that with DreamUp, you can create images even without a prompt, just by combining filters. To do this, delete the previous prompt and filters, head to Settings, and adjust the image aspect ratio to 2:3 for a tall, portrait-style frame, perfect for something architectural. Then, go to the filters and decide what you want to build. Let's craft a house with a twist. For that, select all 5 filters you see on the screen. Click DreamUp, and boom, you've got a stunning image. No prompt required. This is a great way to spark ideas when you're feeling stuck. And now, let me show you how you can adjust and improve your results by using specific visual elements. First, I'll show you how to create an image in a similar style. Go to the CGDream gallery and choose an image you like. I'll pick this one of a girl in a cloak. Go to it and click the palette button, Use as a transfer style reference. You can even upload your own image from your computer as a style if you've got something specific in mind. Now, select Filters for the new image. I'll remove all except forest and instead add snow, fantasy character, wizard, and old man. Then, write your prompt or simply click DreamUp. And there you go. An image in the same style is ready. Next up, let's replicate an image's structure. For this, I'll use a surreal train image. Find it in your gallery, then click the 3 cubes button. Use as a transfer structure reference. It'll pop up on the left sidebar. This time, let's dial the strength of structure down to 0.65 so it's not too rigid. Clear out all the old filters, we're starting fresh. Add desert, epic fantasy environment, and portal fantasy instead. I'll tweak epic fantasy environment to 0.50 and Portal Fantasy to 0.15 for a balanced look. Don't be afraid to experiment with these settings. That's how you'll get the most interesting images. Also, don't forget to set the number of images on the right-hand panel. I'll choose 4 and select the Flux model and Mode Dev. Hit DreamUp and the train's wild structure stays. But now it's rolling through a sandy fantasy world with glowing portals. Now, let's combine everything, taking the style from one image and the structure from another. To do this, go to CGDream Gallery and pick 2 images. This time, upload the first image from your computer. On the right side, select Use as a Transfer Style Reference and upload 1 image. For the second image, click the 3 cubes button labeled Use as a Transfer Structure Reference. On the right-hand panel, set the number of images, I'll choose 4, and select the Flux model and Mode Dev. We can still use filters too, so I'll remove all and only add Industrial Abandoned. And now that everything's ready, click DreamUp. Take a look at the result. It perfectly matches the style and structure of the images we provided. If you need to create a similar character, for example, for consistency in a video, I'll show you how using this girl as an example. Go to the image and click the button with an individual labeled Use as the Character Reference. Set the strength of character to 0.65. Double check that you have selected the Flux model and Mode Dev and choose 4 images. Then go to the filters and select Victorian Era and Music Instruments. Click DreamUp. Take a look at this result. The girl is the same, only now she's in a Victorian style thanks to the filters we chose. Pretty cool, right? Don't forget that the link to this tool can be found in the video description. Next time, I'll drop a secret trick that'll make your visuals go viral overnight. Don't miss it.